Hi everybody, and welcome back to another video. So today I have a back to school fence haul for you guys. The price comparison of the shoes. So what's it on the fence versus how much it actually cost. I'm going to be showing you guys the shoes up close and just giving you like the whole rundown. But yeah, I have a whole bunch of videos like this up on my page. So if you guys would like to see more videos like this, just I have them linked up here, or like you can just check out my page. And yeah, so I'm also a European 39. I'm a size 8.5 women's. I'm a size 6.5 or 7 in men's. And all these shoes will be linked down in the description box below if you'd like to buy them. But with that said, let's hop right into the video. So starting off, we're gonna start off with these Chloe shoes, and these are the Woody logo lace Chloe slippers in navy. And let me just take them out and show y'all. I also have pictures of me trying them on, but this is what they look like. As you can see, they're just the regular sandals in navy. I don't know why, but this black part looks kind of tacky. Like on the actual shoe, it's not supposed to be black. I think it's like a navy color, so that's something that definitely stood out to me. But as you can kind of see, it's supposed to spell out Chloe here. The material is pretty okay, like nothing crazy, but yeah, I just think they're like a really simple, cute shoe. As you can see, it says Chloe right there as well. Not the best Chloe shoe sandal that I've received, but not the worst. But yeah, let's get into the price comparison. So you can get these shoes on the fence for $26, and that's just the price of the shoe, and the shipping is free. And the actual authentic pair is going for $425 on this website called Forward, which is like the only website I could like find these shoes on, which is kind of weird. The shoe I have to show you guys are these 2022 Yeezy Slides. So let's take them out. But yeah, I got these for my mom. I think I got her like a size too big. That's why they look freaking gigantic. But I think they are true to size, but this is what they look like. And I'm gonna say they're a little less comfortable than the authentic pair, but they're still very comfortable slides. Like, you could definitely wear these all day, but this is what they look like. As you can see, it has the Adidas logo print. This is the bottom. Nothing, like, not much going on here. They're very comfortable. I wear them all the time. Well, I have a different pair, not these pair, but I wear my pair that I got all the time. And for the price comparison, you can get these on the fence for $31, and the shipping is completely free. And the authentic pair, you can get them for a size, I'm trying to see what a size 11 is. It says a size 11 is, you can get them for $190 on Goat for a size 11. So the next pair of shoes I want to show you guys are actually some boots, and these are them. These are some Christian Louboutin red bottom boots, and here they are, guys. This is what they look like. These are the Christian Louboutin Condra Boda over the knee high boots. That's the big name of it. But yeah, as you guys can see, super long. There's the bottom. This is what the heel looks like. And yeah, y'all, when I tell you guys, these things are definitely a statement piece. They are a statement. But yeah, they are not thick thigh friendly. I'm gonna tell you guys that now. Like, my thighs aren't that thick, but I definitely was struggling getting them on. So with that said, let me show you guys the price comparison. So you can get, I actually could not find the seller switched the link to these, so I don't have them, so I don't even know like what the price I got these for. They were probably like around $50 on the fence, but the authentic pair goes for $1,165 on Poshmark. So okay, so the next shoe I have are these Christian Louboutin Booties, and these are the So Kate Booties red bottoms. They came with like this little dust bag, and these are the shoes. Here they are, guys. As you can see, they're just like some cute little booties. I think you can pick the size of the heel. As you can see, these are the red bottoms. It has a zipper right here. These are actually pretty comfortable, very easy to put on, true to size. They have like the Christian Louboutin on the inside as well. And overall, guys, just like a really cute little shoe. I think so I lost the seller changed the link to these, so I can't find them on the fence for you guys, but the authentic pair, I think they're around 50 bucks probably, but the authentic pair for these on the Christian Louboutin website is $1,195. So the last pair of like heels I have to show you guys are these, and by far these are my favorite heels out of all the ones I've ever brought. But these are the Tom Ford padlock velvet heels, and this is what they look like, guys. These guys, these are so cute, y'all. Like, the quality is amazing. My mom had the authentic pair, and I asked her like how did these like compare with them, and she said she didn't get the velvet ones, she had leather, but they looked really similar. As you can see, it says Tom Ford right here. There goes like the detailing as well. I promise you, I know the gold's not picking up correctly on the camera, but it is gold like in person. This is the strap. It's very cute. This is the little padlock, which is my favorite part. And it has like Tom Ford right there again. This is the bottom of the shoe, and they are true to size. Surprisingly, they're very comfortable to walk in. I had no trouble at all. And they're very comfortable. So yeah, guys, and the price comparison, so I got these off the fence. These are going for $68, and that's including the price of the shoe and shipping. And you can get them on the app, the Outnet, for the authentic pair for 710 bucks. So the next pair of things I have to show you are these Gucci sandals that I got, and these were so cute. They came in a box, but I lost the box, so I just have these. But they came with this little dust bag, which I keep them in, and these are the Gucci Bloom Supreme Floral Slide sandals, and this is what they look like. Y'all, these are just really cute pair of slides. As you can see, they have the Gucci logo. I wish like this part was like a little bit more like structured, if that makes sense, but as you can see, the floral design, the Gucci, this is what the bottom of the shoe looks like, and that's pretty much it. For the price comparison, you can get these on the fence for $47, and that's including the shipping and the price of the shoe, or you can get them off the Gucci website for $495, and that's the authentic pair. The next pair of shoes I want to show you guys, I'm super excited about, are these Nike Dunks, and these are the Dunk Low with the Super Mario Dunks, and as you guys can see, this is what they look like. Very different type of shoe. This actually came with brown laces, but I switched them out for white because I was like trying to make an outfit with these, which I did, and I got a lot of compliments on them, guys, when I did wear them. But as you can see, they're just like very different, like super cool, super different type of shoe. And for the price comparison for these, you can get them on the fence for $38, and that's just the price of the shoe. The shipping is free. Or you can get them the authentic pair on this website called eCrater, and they have them for $150, which isn't that bad, but you know. And the last pair of shoes I want to show you guys are these 2002 R Protection Pack Pink New Balances. And so let me just take them out the box to show you guys. This is what the shoe looks like. And as you guys probably know, like, I never get like a bad pair of New Balances from the fence. Like, they're always super pretty, super good. This is what they look like. The bottom, and the quality is super nice. They're always super comfortable. I get compliments on all of them. I think now I have like 3 of the 2000R New Balances. Like, I have the green ones, the orange ones, and now I have the pink ones, and I'm looking to just keep adding kind of to the collection. But I love these, and my favorite color is pink, if you do not know by now, so they have a special place in my heart. But as far as the price goes, you can get these on the fence for $56, and that's for the price of the shoe and the shipping. Or you can get the authentic pair on Go for $276. Price ranges based on size. Anyway, with that said, guys, let me know what your favorite shoe was down in the comment section below. If you have shoes that you would like me to try or you'd like to see on the channel, make sure you comment those as well. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and like, comment, and subscribe. And all the shoes will be linked down in the description below. And with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.